Okay, we're going to walk you through how to work with the white box learning software. First, what we're going to do, let's minimize my zoom here, and we're going to go out to Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Google Chrome, you're going to go to whiteboxlearning.com/login. From there, get yourself set up. First one race we're going to do is our Dragster 2.0. You're going to log into that by clicking this Dragster, and a login box will show up. Now your login is your lunch number. The group ID is 9DU68, and that's the same for everybody involved here. Click login. It's going to log you in your startup screen here, and what you're going to do is you're going to work your way through the engineering design process, starting with research, engineering, competition, and we're going to get all the way down to where we're actually going to have an actual competition between people within our classes and possibly some of the other classes. So we're just going to click start here. Now this is the research phase. The research phase is pretty much you're going to walk your way through a number of slides. Now the cool thing about this is this will actually read these slides to you.
One of the best things about engineering is that it is a creative and
you can actually have it read almost everything here in this presentation. Now there are a couple different types of quizzes that you're going to encounter. There will be one here at the end of your background. There'll be a little bit on the Newton's laws. There'll be a motion quiz, and then a couple others down as we work our way through. We're going to start slow. We're just going to have you start out. We're going to do the first half of the quizzes. So the first week here, what you're going to do is you'll work your way all the way down through motion quiz. Motion quiz will be where you can kind of call it quits for the week on this. If you want to, you can get in here and you can actually play around a little bit with the engineering phase. And this is kind of where you're actually starting to draw and design a CO2 car. And it works pretty simple. You're just going to work your way down the modeling tree here with blank setup. You'll see your block. So you just kind of go from left to right on each one of these and all the way down the tree. Now there's a tutorial over here that I'm going to have you do here the next week or so. Really what it does is it walks you through the entire process of designing a car, and it'll make sure that you get your car, the first car that you draw, into what's called our spec design, which allows us to actually move on to the competition. So really, I would suggest here for the first week, just kind of getting familiar here with this engineering. You don't necessarily have to design a car, but if you want to get in here and play a little bit here in week one, you're more than welcome to do so. We'll make the jump as a class next week, where you're actually going to start designing your vehicles. That'll be enough here for week one.